which leads on to your next question, Simon, which is which made the most impact, or which made the most impact and increased to your trade, which made the most increase to your trading account is basically what you're asking. Answer is day trading. So in terms of equity curve, day trading all day long. And there was a period, if you around the sort of 2006 through to 2008, where you were getting such good runs on the major currencies across the 5-minute charts that you were having, you know, it wasn't really many weeks that went past where I didn't hit good numbers. I'd have the odd bad week and even the odd bad month, but yeah. So in terms of equity curve, then it would be day trading all day long. But that was relative to time. So one of the things, and a good lesson for everybody, is it's not always about the return, it's the return on your time invested. So our best strategy for your return on time is not actually the best performing strategy. Guys who are listening, who are here, give me a yes if that makes sense. So the strategy that gives you the best return for the time you put in is not the best for the overall return. So we have a strategy that averages 20% a year, but you only have to put in 10 to 15 minutes a month, and compound it up. That can be 800% over a 10-year period, but you're only putting in 10 minutes a month. So actually, in terms of your return on time invested, that's actually the best performing strategy. But it isn't the best performing in terms of return. To give you an idea, Kerry, over a 2 or 3 week period on one of her new strategies that she's running, is up in the high 70, 80% return. So that's in less than a month, but relative to time, she's probably in front of her screens for 6 hours to do that. So there is an element of time. So it's really important for all of you listening, if you're thinking about, well, what is it I want to achieve? Everybody wants more money. And I said this on the free workshop this week. Everybody wants to make more money, but what is it you want to achieve, and what time can you give relative to that? So yeah, I'll get Kerry on again at some point. Yeah, so she's but she also understands that the result that she's achieved over that short period of time is not in line with the overall result. So she said, I'm probably going to hit a little bit of a losing streak, and that's the power of having the data. And that's also the power of having data when you're thinking about what you want to achieve. Because if there's data to suggest a specific figure, so if you want 50% a year and you know there's data on 2 strategies and they average 80% a year, then that strategy could be legit for you, because it will give you potentially the return, and you can actually underperform the strategy. So that's the idea there. So absolutely, for me, it was day trading. So yeah, my returns, if you're just judging it by pure returns, it was day trading over swing. But if you look at it versus time, I would say I'm probably there or thereabouts with my swing trading in relative to time that I put in. And then Simon